Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making a simple Cajun chicken and sausage recipe. So let's get started. So I'm using boneless chicken thighs, which I already rinsed and cut into bite-sized pieces. And now I am seasoning the chicken thighs generously with some homemade Cajun seasoning. And I'm just going to allow that to marinate for about half an hour. Once that's done, I'm just going to brown the chicken on both sides for about 5 minutes. Now I have some sausage, and I'm just going to brown the sausage for about 3 minutes on each side as well. Once that's done, I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces, and I will be setting that aside until later. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Now it's time to put everything together. So here I have some oil in a pan, and I'm just going to saute some onion and bell peppers for about a minute or so. Now I'm just going to add 2 cups of rice. And I'm just going to mix that in all together. And then I'll be adding the sausage. And now I'm going to add my chicken. And I'm just going to add some diced tomatoes. I'll be adding 2 1/8 cups of water and some butter, and I will allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. For the last 10 minutes, I will be turning down the stove to a really low heat to allow the rice to fully cook. Once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.